Hello students, in previous lecture isomerism means the compound having same molecular formula, but it gives different structure and arrangement of the carbon skeleton is different. Their chemical properties and physical properties are different because of their different structure. Molecular formula same, but it gives different structure because the arrangement of the carbon skeletons, their position is different for different structure, and their chemical properties and physical property also different. Then it is known as a isomerism. Isomerism already we discussed chain isomerism, structure isomerism and stereo isomerism. In stereo structure isomerism, chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism and metamerism. This is the types of structure isomerism. Now first one, chain isomerism. Now in this chain isomerism, when two or more structure or more compound which having similar molecular formula but arrangement of their carbon skeleton is different, then it is known as a chain isomerism. It is known as a chain isomerism. Now some formulas like C4H10. It is example of C4H10 means total number of carbon, 4 means butane. Now suppose it is there are total 4 carbon. Their arrangement in this way: first hydrogen, second hydrogen, third hydrogen, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are total 4 carbon and total number of hydrogen 10. It is a total number of carbon 4 means it is a structure of butane in a straight chain, total number of 4 carbon. Now another structure, suppose C 1, 2, 3, only 3 parent carbon. Now 1, 2, 3, also write down this way: CH3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, completed. This is another structure at second position having attach of methyl group. Student, draw this way, then it is a right, you will get marks in exam. Write down this way. This CS3 also write this way, then you will get marks in exam. This is structure of 2-methyl propane, and this is the structure of N-butane, normal butane, both having 4 carbon, and number of hydrogen 10. In pentane there are 5 carbon and 12 hydrogen. Suppose total number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Students, do not write as a condensed formula, write this way in exam. Draw this structure: CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Structure formula: there are total number of carbon 5 and hydrogen. Pentane means 5 carbon, there are 5 carbon and number of hydrogen 12. Now another structure, there draw only 4 carbon with attach at numbering 1, 2, 3 and 4. At second position attach of methyl group. Methyl group means CH3, 1, 2 and 3. Valency 1, 2, 3, 4. Completed 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this structure having total number of carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is a longest chain or parent chain. At second position attach of methyl group. Therefore total number of carbon 5 and total number of hydrogen 12. It is a attachment of the methyl group. It gives at second position, therefore its name 2-methyl butane. We observe the structure of N-pentane. There are total straight chain 5 carbon. Then it gives N-pentane. But in case of 2-methyl butane, also there are 5 carbon and total number of hydrogen. Therefore carbon skeleton is different. This is known as a chain isomerism. Next, third one, same molecular formula but give different structure. Arrangement of the carbon skeleton also different. In this structure there are total 1, 2, 3, total 3 carbon. There are, and second position attach of 2-methyl group, 2, 2, dimethyl propane. Because there are 3 carbon, it is a parent chain. Therefore its name 2, 2 dimethyl propane. In this structure also there are total 5 carbon and total number of hydrogen 12. Look this further structure 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon means pentane. They are in straight chain. Now another structure 1, 2, 3 and 4. At second position attach of methyl group. Therefore total number of carbon 4 means its name 2-methyl butane. Now third structure 1 carbon, second carbon attached with 2-methyl group, 1 another 2, and total number of carbon 3 means propane. Therefore its name 2, 2 dimethyl propane. It is a example. All three are example of chain isomerism. All three structure having molecular formula same C5H12, but it give different structure and their nomenclature. Next students, position isomerism. Suppose molecular formula C4H10. We draw two structure, their molecular formula same. In this is structure of molecular formula of alkene, at least one double bond present. Then we get in this true structure which having two different position having double bond present. It only one double bond. Suppose at position 1, then at position 2. Direct number in students 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are both carbon, structure having 4 carbon. But position of double bond at different position. In first structure having first position, at second structure having at second position. Then valency of carbon 4, therefore 1 plus 3 CH3 means 4 completed. Then 1 and 2 already, therefore CH2, then 2 plus 2 4. Next 1, 2, 3, then hydrogen 4th. There are terminal carbon having 2, double bond means 2, then 2 hydrogen, then valency 4 completed. Another structure CH3, CH, double bond CH, CH3, valency of carbon 4. Both structure having 4 carbon and total number of hydrogen, students count, it is a 8. But in the both structure having difference means only presence of double bond at first structure having at one position and second structure having second position double bond. Therefore it is an example of position isomerism. Now same another structure, there are total 4 carbon and number of hydrogen. Suppose 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 carbon, number of hydrogen 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1, total number of hydrogen 6. In this first structure presence of triple bond means it is a structure of alkynes, means butane, YNE, Ane substitute to YNE. At first structure having triple bond present at first position, then another structure 1, 2, 3 and 4. At second position triple bond present. Both structure having C4 and number of hydrogen 6. Means position, it is an example of position isomerism. First structure name, the triple bond present at first position, therefore its name 1-butene. Second structure name 2-butene because triple bond present at second position, triple bond present at second position, therefore its name but 2-YNE or 2-butene or 2-butene. Its name 2-butene or but 2-YNE. Students, we already discussed the example of 2-butene. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. Double bond present at second position. Another structure having also 1, 2, 3, 4. Double bond present at first position. Therefore, its name but 1-ENE. But 1-ENE. This structure having but 2-ENE. But 1-ENE, but 2-ENE structure name, its name, IUPAC name. Both having same carbon 4, number of hydrogen 8. It is example of position isomerism. Next students, functional isomerism. When compound having two or more compound having same molecular formula but both compound having different functional group present, then it is known as a functional isomerism. The molecular formula same but different functional group present, then two different functional group compound having different physical property and chemical property, then it is known as a functional isomerism. Example, ethanol. Ethanol having 2 carbon, number of hydrogen 6 and 1 oxygen. Structure of ethanol CH3 CH2 OH. It is a structure of ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol IUPAC name ethanol. Another structure, suppose ether having total number of carbon 2, 1 and 2 and CH3 attached with oxygen CH3O CH3. In that 2 carbon and hydrogen 6 and 1 oxygen present, it is a structure of dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. It is also known as a methoxymethane. It is also known as a methoxymethane. Next, metamerism isomerism. In metamerism isomerism, both having same molecular formula but arrangement of the alkyl group distribution at different means distribution of alkyl group is different with function group, then it is known as a metamerism isomerism. Now there are total 4 carbon 1, now CH2 CH2 and CH3. One side oxygen attached with 3 carbon, another side attached with only 1 carbon. Same another structure of ether having CH2 and CH3. CH2 and CH3. That arrangement of the or distribution of alkyl group. There are 2 alkyl group and 2 alkyl group. Means ethyl group and ethyl group. Both ethyl group in this first structure having methyl group and propyl group. It is in a different distribution of carbon with oxygen. Therefore, it is known as a metamerism. Look this structure, 3 carbon and 1 carbon, 2 carbon and 2 carbon. Its name ethoxyethane, and this name methoxypropane. 3 carbon means propane. It is example of metamerism. 3 carbon and 1 carbon. There are 2 carbon. Different distribution of alkyl group. Now students, geometrical isomerism. We completed structure isomerism. Now geometrical isomerism. The compound having same molecular formula but arrangement of the atoms or molecules or groups in a double bond containing means it is a different position, a different arrangement, then different geometrical isomer arrangement, different geometrical arrangement, different geometrical arrangement, then it is known as a geometrical isomerism. Mean different geometrical arrangement. It is a two types of geometrical isomerism. First one is cis form and another is trans form. This is form having two same substituents means identical substituent attached at the same site, like same site. This is an example of same site. Then it is known as a cis isomerism. Now another structure, suppose this compound having, it is example of cis 2-butene. There are total carbon number of carbon 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this structure methyl group and a methyl group, they are attached at the same position, then it is known as a cis form. Then it is another example cis form, cis 2-butene, cis 2-butene. In this methyl group attached at the similar site. We already discussed this example, dibromoethene. There are Br and Br attached at the same position, same site, attached at the same site. Therefore, it is known as a cis isomer. Now, transform of the cis 2-butene. In this arrangement of the methyl group at opposite site, a different site. There are also 4 carbon, upper substructure and this structure both having same molecular formula C4H8, but methyl group attached at the same position, then cis isomer, and methyl group attached at the different site or opposite side, then it is a trans form. It is an example of trans 2-butene. Look this example, Br or Br attached at the different site of the double bond, then it is known as a trans form. And hydrogen, when hydrogen attached at the same site or Br attached the same site, then it is a cis form. Cis form and trans form, geometrical isomerism. In this both having same molecular formula but arrangement of the atoms or groups at different geometrical isomerism, then it is known as a geometrical isomerism.